Hey, what's going on, guys? In today's video, Google Maps Citation Explained, I'm going to show you the top 5 local directories to boost your business. Watch this. Darren, this one's for you, brother. I love you. Hey, what's going on, guys? Hope everybody's doing great. So let's get right into it. Okay, so the first directory that you need to be in is called the Better Business Bureau. Of course, everybody's heard of it. It's very simple to add your business. It's a free listing, just in case you didn't know. All you do is come up right here to the right-hand side, click that little hamburger thing, and click here, register your business, and just follow the rest of the prompts to go through. Now, I think a paid listing per year is somewhere around $500, but you could do a free listing. And this is a good listing to have because if, God forbid, you do get suspended by Google, your Google business profile gets suspended, what they do is a manual review. And this is one of the good ones to see, right? So Better Business Bureau is a directory that you need to be in. The next one, I was actually going to put it first, but I had a feeling everybody was going to just click off the video if I said this next one. And yeah, it's the dreaded Yelp. Now, I teach a lesson that if you want to get a Google business profile, if you want Google to create it for you, is to first create a website, and second is to do the paid version of Yelp. I think it's $12 a month, somewhere around there. You can get the free version as well, but I'm just saying that, like, if you're afraid that your listing is going to get suspended, everything can't be free, right? So if Google sees that everything's free and you're not paying for anything, there's a good chance that Google's saying, hey, this is just a lead generation site, right? Especially if you have a real business and this is your business, pay the $12 a month, whatever it is in Yelp. So I think it's a good investment. But if you can't do it or you don't want to do it at the time, get a Yelp listing. And the other thing that I would say is start getting Yelp reviews. I know it's really hard because Yelp, especially if you're not using the paid version, they'll only put up your bad reviews and they won't put up your good reviews. Well, that's what it seems like, right? So that's another reason to get the paid version. But get reviews as well. The next one is to create a Facebook page for your business. I did something very simple right here, as you could see, and I have my address listed and my hours listed. So that's really important. You also want to post content on these pages. Once again, if you get a manual review, they're going to check out your Facebook page. So you want to make sure that you have a Facebook page and you post regularly, once a week, twice a week. Definitely put a post up on that. And I'm going to say the same thing for LinkedIn, right? Create a LinkedIn page, create a profile, create the free version. I don't believe you have to pay for that. I think that's a really good idea. Just on a side note, like, I know people do well in using LinkedIn. This is something that I don't know, man. LinkedIn to me just seems like Facebook for people who don't know what to post. I've never seen anything interesting on here. I've never seen anything why I'd want to come back to this. I created the page because I felt like I had to, but we all have strengths and weaknesses, right? Okay, so the next one, and this is the 5th one, is Yellow Pages. Yellow Pages / and Yellow Book, right? No matter what industry you are, you should get a Yellow Pages directory and claim your business with Yellow Pages. Now, realize once you claim your business, especially if you got the free one, you're going to get a lot of calls from these companies trying to sign you up, telling you that you're going to get the best deal in the world. You need it, though. You need it. And these are the ones that I would do by myself, right? These are the ones that I would do by myself. Now, look, I want to give you a bonus here. I want to give you a bonus, but I got to tell you something first. All right, guys. So as you know, the last couple of months I've been talking about, using a grid software program, and I said one of the easiest ones was Local Falcon. Well, lately, over the past, I guess, couple of weeks, I actually signed up to become an affiliate, meaning that if you sign up through my link, I get a small commission from that. It doesn't cost you anymore if you sign up through my link. It's just that they give me a commission. So if you'd like to support the channel, and if you don't, first of all, if you don't have a grid program and you'd like to use Local Falcon, please use my affiliate link. It's in the bottom below. If you'd like to just go to Local Falcon and not use my affiliate link, that's fine. But you definitely need a grid program if you're interested in ranking in Google Maps. The next thing I'm going to ask is, guys, please subscribe to my channel and like these videos. This helps get the video out to more people just like you who are looking for this type of information. All right, guys, thanks a lot. Okay, guys, so the three things that I'm going to show you here are really important, right? So what Google wants to know is where you perform your business, right? Where your business is located. Are you popular in your area, and what you do? So what I'd like you to do is just go over to Google, and I already typed it out to make it easier for us. Yeah, so I typed in Tampa Bay, so you put in your city, local directories online. And what these are a bunch of directories that are just specifically for, see this, Tampa Bay Business Directory. And what you want to do is you want to add your business to as many online directories in your area as possible. And yes, you could do 20 or you could do 100 a day. There's no problem with that, right? So you want to get yourself in as many directories in your area as possible, because that's going to show Google that you're located in your area. The next thing you want to do is you want to add your business into directories specifically for your business. So in this example, I used pressure wash online directory. So add my company to pressure wash online directories. And you'll notice that there are just specific directories just for pressure washing companies. See that? Jobber and pressure washing marketing pros and creative. See, there's a whole bunch of these type of directories specifically for pressure washing companies. Now, here's the last thing, and here's really probably the best tip out of all of them. Is everybody in our industry has a competitor, because I know that anybody that I speak to, any of my subscribers I speak to, I was like, they always bring up somebody that's listed everywhere. And we want to be listed everywhere, right? So one of the things that I would do is I would type my customer's brand name into Google. So for example, I put in my brand name just as an example, Mindsaw. Right? And as I scroll down, I see all the directories that I'm located in. Well, YouTube, right? Because I have a YouTube channel. And in my YouTube channel, I always put in the description the address. I have a Facebook page, Crunchbase. You see that? LinkedIn, Instagram, and Yelp, and Twitter, and so on and so forth. So what I would do is I would get in all the directories that my competitors are in, right? Because if Google sees that these are important to my competitors, they'll also be important to me. Okay, guys, I hope this lesson helped you, right? I always want to try to put together just something that's really, really easy for you to do that's going to make a difference in your business. And you know what else is easy to do? It's easy to tell your wife you appreciate her. And it's easy to be good to your kids, right? Those things are really important also. In fact, they're more important than what I'm teaching you. So, I'd like you to do that. I'd like you to take a step away from the computer. I remember when I was really into this, like really just learning it, I would sit down on my computer, for many, many hours during the day and not even get up. And I can imagine that, some of you are like this yourself, right? Where you're just trying to learn something, you haven't gotten up from your computer. So get up from your computer, clean up around the house, throw the garbage away, make the bed, kiss your wife, kiss your kids, and be grateful for what you have, right? If you don't have anybody in your house, go to a neighbor's house and start some conversation with them. And that's what it's all about. Because you know what? At the end, they're going to say, do you remember blank? And they're not going to say he was great on the computer. They're going to say, oh, yeah, he was a nice guy, right? That's the thing that's important. He was a good person. He was a good guy, right? All right, guys, until tomorrow, have a great day.